Hi guys, this is Tanya with a quick grammar tip today. Look at these 5 words: hair, news, advice, money, jewelry. So I'm sure that most of you know the meaning of these words, but you still might make mistakes using these words because of your first language interference. So these 5 words are uncountable nouns, which means you can't count them. They don't have plural forms and they always take singular verbs. Look at these sentences. My hair is long. Hair is. The news is good. The news is. My mom always gives me a lot of good advice. Advice, no advices. There is no plural. Money is not everything. Money is. And this jewelry is expensive. Jewelry is. That was your quick grammar tip for today, and now it's time for you to practice. Make your own sentences using these words and write them in the comments below.